Christmas is just not Christmas unless there are some gingerbread men cookies around, right? They just scream Christmas. And one of my business acquaintance, mother-in-law, makes the best gingerbread cookie in the world. And I did not ask her for the recipe. I kind of had a feeling she might not want to share it. So this is the recipe that I had on my website. So I'm still in search of the best gingerbread man cookies that I could ever hope to make. So this is my first shot at it. And I think I'll be able to improve on it as I work on these gingerbread cookies. So I make a lot of ginger cookies, but I just don't go to the, to the actual gingerbread man and woman. All right, so we're gonna start by creaming our dark brown sugar with our stick of butter. And it's kind of the typical ingredients. And of course you can always change about your spices if you want to. If you like them with a real ginger flavor, add more ginger. If you like more cinnamon, add more cinnamon. And the same goes for your nutmeg. And what was that other one that I didn't have to put in here? Allspice. So just kind of play around with it. Do what suits your tongue. Okay, I'm just slowing this down until I get it under control.
Now, if you didn't want the cookie to be so firm, like the gingerbread,
yes,
would you add more molasses to make it a little more chewy? Or?
Actually, I would just put 1 egg in it, because the more eggs you put, the more cake-like it is. And I'm not really fond of cookies that are cake-like. You know what I mean? I like them crispy and some chewy, in the center. That's kind of the way I like them. All right. I'm gonna transfer this to a big bowl because after I get all this mixed up, I'm gonna be adding our flour mixture to it. Yeah, I'll be in search of that wonderful gingerbread cookie that I have dreamed about. And I guess it's been, what, maybe 4 years, 5 years, Teresa? Since Jeff's mother-in-law made those and shared them with us. Oh, they were so good. All right, cream, cream, cream. All right, now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I wish I wasn't adding but 1, but we're gonna go with what I said the first go round. I'm gonna add our molasses. Now, this is molasses. It's not syrup. Molasses kind of looks like motor oil. It's real dark and real sweet. But, whoops. Okay, there we go. And then we're going to take our flour and add it to this mixture, to our cream mixture. All right, I'm going to take this and scrape my bowl down. There we go. I'd love it if some of the grandchildren would come in to help us decorate these gingerbread men and women. Maybe they will. Maybe somebody will show up. Okay. All right, I'm gonna come over here, and we've got our flour, and I'm adding salt, baking soda, I can't remember if it was soda or powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger. I love ginger. Every time I say, Michael hears me say I love ginger, you know what he says? Well, actually, I like to Mary Ann the best. He's so goofy. So, we'll just kind of sift this together using our little magic whisk. All right. So, this is a little high for me to work with, but I think y'all can see better. I'm just gonna stir this flour in. You know, you can use a spoon or a spatula. And then we've got to put this in the refrigerator, y'all. And let it sit until it's firm enough that we can roll it out and cut it. Do our cutting out with our cookie cutters. I said to do with the spoon, but I'm actually gonna finish this off with my mixer. And when you roll these out, you're gonna wanna make sure that you roll them on a surface that's well floured, so they won't stick. And don't worry about them looking, don't worry about the fact that you put down too much flour and they're gonna look white, because that will bake out. So don't worry about that. Just make sure you have enough flour so they won't stick. Okay, so there it is. Our gingerbread dough. Smells pretty good. It almost smells like sweet potatoes. Come smell, Teresa. See if this doesn't smell like a sweet potato to you.
I can smell the molasses.
You can? Smell. It smells just like a sweet potato.
It does at first.
Doesn't
I
it?
catch another. I catch stronger.
So that's it. We're gonna put these in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna roll them out and cut them and throw them in the oven, and hopefully somebody will come help me decorate. I think I forgot to mention this part, y'all, but you need to work with maybe about a half a cup of dough at a time, because if you try to work all that dough at once, it's really overpowering. So we're gonna, and remember what I told you about the flour? It's okay. And after this sits in the refrigerator, y'all, it's like hard as my arteries. It's hard. So if you got a big, strong man around, put him to work. And I don't like mine real thick. All right, so here we go. First the girl, because it's ladies first, remember? Always ladies first. Go see your little skirt. Now you can find these cookie cutters in different sizes. These are kind of rather on the small side. I kind of like the larger ones because when you go to decorate them, it's the smaller your surface, the harder it is to work with. And I done chopped off a piece of his foot. There it is. We just gonna hook it right back on there, little man. Just hook it right back. Okay. You know, the children have so much fun decorating cookies at Christmas time. I know my grand boys just love it. And Jack's 14 now, and you know, he still enjoys getting in the kitchen with his grandma and making cookies. Jack likes to bake. So I'm gonna see if I can't work this up. I may mix this in with the rest of the batter that I've got in the refrigerator still chilling, and see if we can't get some more gingerbread people out of there. But these are gonna it's getting towards the end of the day, y'all. I'm gonna put these in the oven. Let me see, at 350, and bake them for about 10 minutes. That's kind of the standard average number for cookies, isn't it? 350, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna do with these little babies. And you can rework this dough. And like I said, I think if I mix it with some that's not been floured yet, I think it'll work real good. So in the oven, 350, 10 minutes. And I can tell y'all something right now. Who's gonna decorate the most beautiful gingerbread man and gingerbread girl ever? Your cameraman, the college graduate from SCAD, Savannah Art and Design School. He will beat us all by far with his decorating. I'm still gonna try. Okay, listen, Mr. Artiste has already done a few, and I want you to see how pretty they are. Aren't they pretty? So,
We'll pick 'em
show
up.
us it. Oh, pick them up.
We'll just show
Look, I love this one because it's got so much icing. She's got on a white flowery dress.
Well, that's
What is
that's
it?
A Mr.
Oh, it's a
Snowman.
No, this is a Mrs.
yeah, but I made the other side a snowman. I made it look like a snowman.
Where?
You don't think it looks like a snowman?
No, I just saw the skirt. You know what? It can be anything you want it to be. And I love the fact, Eddie, that you use the candy balls for eyes, because it's hard to get that small amount. So I'm going to copy you. I'm going to copy you, and I'm going to take... All right, wait, what you waiting on?
I actually am going to come around the other side so
Okay,
I can
come on.
shoot
Come
from
on.
the decoratings.
Okay. Come on.
Go ahead.
This is very tedious. Oh, he has red eyes and he's so pretty.
Show her to.
See her? No, it's a man. This is a man. And I got to give him some boots, y'all. And maybe some gloves. Your children will have so much fun getting in the kitchen with you.
Eddie's getting
And-
really detailed over here.
I
We could
know.
be here till Christmas.
I know.
The real Christmas day.
But look how cute he is, Eddie.
He is cute.
And see, he's not overdone, is he?
And actually, the pink looks really
And you know
nice on
what?
top of the
Yeah.
gingerbread.
And you know what? I'm gonna give him some hair like Peepaw. Look at that. Now that's Peepaw's. Eddie, I think I heard a car door.
Do you hear?
Did y'all?
Do you hear 6 little feet?
I do. I think I.
Not reindeer.
Oh my gosh, maybe somebody's coming to help us decorate. The triplets are gonna love these, and I swear, I think I heard them.
I think they are
You
going
think
to
what?
love the icing. I think fingers are going to go all over the place.
I think so too. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. Well,
Eddie, let me see your snowman before
Before it gets eaten.
exactly. You got to flip it up. I mean, we're on camera, people.
I still love mine. The simplicity of Peepaw.
There.
Peepaw and Mr. Snowman. Frosty.
Mrs.
Well.
She's gonna start, Eddie.
Okay, guys, I hear the door.
Mira, ay, mira qué bonito.
I would love to say, y'all, that our brilliant triplets decorated these, but I would be lying. What, baby? What? But Mr. Eddie decorated those for you. Well, okay, you can't make up your mind. But, no, all done. All done.
Bye-bye.
That is Amelia's way of saying, good to see y'all, but I'm all done. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Look at her polka dot dress. Look.
Happy. Oli, ¿quieres un happy? Happy. Mira, happy. He's saying Halloween.
I know. I heard him. Oh, gonna get down
Come
there
on.
with your sisters?
Toma. Ah, gracias.
Oh my, Ollie, that's so beautiful.
She's a natural.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
Thank you. And what, baby?
Whoa. Gracias, Dini.
Okay.
Dice gracias.
You are so welcome, my precious. What? Okay. Okay.
Gracias, Ginny.
All right, now taste it. Take a bite. It's so
Está delicioso.
good. Taste it. There you go.
Yummy.
Yum. Yum to my tongue. This is how Guinea likes to eat it, like this. Yum. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.